Hello everybody. Today I just wanted to go over a couple little changes I made to this. I was flying bottom mount the first time I was out on the battery, putting the battery on, of course, on the bottom, and it felt like every flip it wanted to throw the battery over. It was just like the other frame, the previous frame I had. It just wanted to throw the battery over like that. It didn't do like a smooth, snappy flip when I do flips and stuff. So I started doing top mount. Now, because I did the top mount, I've had to move my receiver back or forward just a little bit, probably about 4 or 5 millimeters, just to get it out of the way of the strap. And I had to move my HellGate buzzer, which is now over here. It was up underneath here, and it was forward quite a bit, and I could only double stick tape about half of it down, and it didn't want to stay there anyway. So now I have it, you can see the zip tie right here on the frame, and I also put some 3M double stick tape underneath that on the frame, stuck the HellGate buzzer up against the tape and then zip tied it down, and hopefully that's going to stay there, because the other way it fell off. So hopefully that'll be good. Of course, I still have my sticky pads that I make out of the cell phone dashboard sticky pads. And now that I have the top mount, I did notice that the center of gravity is right at the props, right at the top of the props, like right at the bottom of the nut. That's about where the center of gravity is now. So now when it flips, it's not trying to throw a battery, it's actually flipping like this. It's like snapping, like as soon as you roll it, it's right there. It's very center to the prop line, and it's center to the camera. So you'll see, I'm going to put up some flight footage, and you'll see the difference if you've watched any of my previous videos with the bottom mounted batteries. It always wanted to do like this in the camera. Now it's just like a really quick snap, and it's really nice. You'll notice the difference if you saw my previous videos. But anyway, I knew about center of gravity and all that stuff because I've been into RC for so long. But I just didn't have the top mount option, and now I have the top mount option, and I'm loving this top mount option with these quads. So I did have to lengthen my pigtail also. I made a longer pigtail and stuck that on there, and now I have the option for bottom or top mount. So there we go. The only thing I just wanted to mention, and here's some flight footage. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, dislike, leave a comment if you want, whatever. And hope you enjoy this flight footage. Thanks for watching.